Now that we've done with the general hair shapes, we can take some time to choose our color palette. All that we've drawn until now is grayscale. So now, as we are about to start with painted fur, picking some colors would be a perfect decision right now. We'll create 3 palettes at once and save them in order to be used in each file separately. For the instance, the first thing we are about to do is to completely clear our swatches palette. To make it, we'll place our mouse over the swatch and we'll press Alt, clicking over at the same time. Once we've done, we can begin creating our new palette. Starting with cream type of color for our Persian, I'll pick 2 tones of brown. Our British cat will be the one called Blue British, as their fur and even nose is grey, but there is a little touch of bluish in it, which combined with their copper eyes makes them look like made of velvet. For this guy we will choose a dark tone of grey and another lighter one. Finally, for the Siamese, we'll pick 2 tones of the lighter fur part and dark brown for the stained part, like ears and tail.